Hey guys, this hairstyle is inspired by a bun I saw done by Hello Natural Beauty. You can go ahead and check out her channel, but if you want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned. Okay, so you want to start off with your hair in an afro puff. This is an old twist out. You can do an old wash and go, whatever. I just decided that I wanted to have a little bit of more texture, so I decided to do it with the old twist out. And you just make sure that you have yourself some hairpins. I'm using hairpins. In fact, I'm using the very small ones. The smallest, little daintiest ones. I noticed a lot of times these seem to like hold better than larger hairpins, especially like in a crunch, in a pinch. Okay, and you just take sections and roll them, bump them up. Like so. Pin it. And I didn't really manipulate my hair at all for this. This is like the most I've done in terms of manipulating. It's time for me to wash it. I've just been really busy and haven't had a chance to, but today I'm gonna do another clay mask. I love those. It's so moisturizing to my hair.